Hey everyone, today I will show you how to mute TikTok audio, and here's how it is done. Open TikTok. Tap the plus button at the bottom center to record or upload a video. Record or upload your video. Capture a new video or upload one from your library. After recording or uploading, tap the check mark in the bottom right. Edit the sound. At the bottom right, tap the down arrow to access the edit option. Play the video, then tap the speaker icon to mute the original sound. An X on the speaker icon indicates it is muted. Add background music, optional. You can add a new song by selecting Add Sound at the top or even record a voiceover. The original sound is now muted, and you can replace it with music or voiceover if desired. And that is everything you need to know about how to mute TikTok audio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.